Here's a word problem based on loss percentage. A product was sold for 18,000 rupees at a loss of 10%. What is the cost price? There are two ways in which you can solve this. This is the first way. The product was sold at 18,000 rupees. It means we are given the selling price. Hence, we write down SP as 18,000 rupees. Now it gets a little interesting. We've been given the loss percentage. It was sold at a loss of 10%. So we write down loss percentage as 10. And we've been asked to find the cost price. We're normally used to solving problems in which we have to find the loss or the profit percent. But here we are given the loss percent. Like a normal word problem, we take the cost price as rupees X. Now we just have to find this X. We know the formula for loss percent. Loss percent is loss over cost price multiplied by 100. Let's analyze this formula for a moment. We have the loss percentage given to us. We are not given the loss. And we need to find the CP. So out of the three things in this formula, we have just one that is known to us. For us to find the CP using this formula, there can be only one unknown. So let's modify this formula a bit. The loss percent is given as 10. We can write the loss as CP minus SP. And we write CP as is in the denominator. And multiplying this fraction by 100. CP minus SP is the loss. If you observe this modified formula, you will see that we know SP and the only unknown is CP. Now we substitute the value of CP and SP in the formula. SP is 18,000 and CP is X. So 10 will be equal to X minus 18,000 divided by X multiplied by 100. X is the cost price which we have to find. We are running out of space here. Let me zoom out a bit. Transposing X to the other side, we get 10X equal to 100X minus 1.8 million. 90X will be equal to 1.8 million. Transposing 90 to the other side, we get X as 1.8 million divided by 90. That equals 20,000 rupees. Hence, the cost price is 20,000 rupees. Here we use the formula, modified a bit, and found the cost price. The second way to solve it is very interesting and probably a bit easier. We just make one assumption and things get very simple. We assume the cost price to be 100 rupees. The loss percentage is given as 10. Hence, for 100 rupees, the selling price will be 10% lesser than the cost price, that is 90 rupees. Now we can use the unitary method to solve for the actual cost price. If SP is 90, then the CP is 100. We have been given the SP as 18,000. So if the SP is 18,000, then what will be the CP? It will be this multiplied by this divided by this. 18,000 multiplied by 100 divided by 90. This will give us 20,000 rupees. You can solve it either way. According to me, the second method makes your calculations easier and avoids variables. But if you like the first method better, you may use it to solve profit or loss percent problems.